Hello guys, namaste all. So today we are seeing that is last session we have seen the arithmetic operators. Okay, so now in this session we'll see the assignment operators. Okay, so assignment operators means what we are assigning some values to one variable. Okay, that we'll see now. So I will write the heading like assignment operators. Sorry. Okay, operators, it is done. So first one we'll see that is equal to. Okay, how we are assigning equal to? One means one number will assign to one variable and will print that. So I'll take var is equal to 5. Means what I am doing here, the assignment operator is equal to. Okay, so I will write here hash. Here equal to is assigned, here our assignment operator. So what we are doing, we are assigning this 5 to an var variable, means it will store here. So suppose if you say print of var, so what it will print, it will give 5 result, means it is assigned this value to var. Okay, then next what we'll see, plus is equal to. So what will be the result for that? So we'll take first plus then equal to. Okay, so what I will do, I will write like var is equal to 8. Okay, 8, then var I'll give this plus is equal to. So plus is equal to what value? I'll give 4. So what will happen, this 4 will be stored in 8 and it will give the result. So I will print that var, so the result will be what? 12. Okay, so I think you got getting what is plus is equal to. We can take also 4 plus 8 also we can take, and we can take like this also. These we called as assignment operators. Same I will do for minus also. Okay, so for minus also I will take the same, var is equal to, okay, 10 I'll take, and var minus, first minus then equal to. Okay, minus equal to what I will take, I'll take 5, then I will print that. We'll see the result for that. So yes, the result is what? 5. We'll see if it is minus, what will be the result. So result will be what? Minus 15. Yes, so I'll do control Z. Like this also you can do, because minus is what will happen, plus, it will become plus. Okay, then next this is done. Now next is what? Sorry, here it will be minus. The next operator is multiplication. Right here multiplication is nothing but what? Star we need to take. So I will take star here. So okay, now I will write, I'll take res is equal to what I will take, I will take like 4 I will take, then res star equal to 3. Result should be what? Can you comment that the result will be without executing this? So result will be what? 12. Yes, it is working. We can change also. I'll take here 12 and we'll see what will be the result. Yes, 48. So easily we can multiply, we can do minus, we can do add. Okay, then next is what? Now multiplication is done. Next we'll see that is forward slash is equal to, means divide assignment operator. So for this we'll see res is equal to 8 will take, and res divide is equal to 3. Now we'll print the result. So the result will be, yes, 2.66. means what we are doing, we are dividing this 8 by 3, so we are getting this is a result. Okay, then next we'll see, next is mod. So same we need to take, like result I'll take one value, then res mod is equal to one value. Okay, so we'll see the result for this. So before that we need to print this. So print into bucket res. So we'll get the modulus of this is what, 1. Okay, so this is modulus. Next is that is floor division. Here you can see a double forward slash and equal to. So I have taken res is equal to 10 and res if I, so whenever it will divide we'll get the result what, 2. Okay, you can see this assignment operator in an arithmetic both are same, but the see here how we have taken okay, here num1 is this is a floor division, then num2, but we have taken here in short, then also we are getting the result. So this is a different in both like arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Okay, this is a floor division. Then we'll see the exponential. Here also you can see stars are is equal to, means it will give the 4 cube of 3, 4 cube 3. Okay, so the result will be what, 64. So you can see the difference between arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Operators are same, but how we define that is different. Here we are defining in different way, and there we are defining in different way. So this is the difference in between arithmetic operator and assignment operator. Okay, so hope you got all the things about assignment operator. So next we'll go for in next session we'll see the comparison operator. So if you have any queries or question, please comment it, we'll answer to that. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone.